Hello everyone, my name is Chioma. Welcome to my channel and the review video of Smarty Builder. Smarty Builder is an app produced by Paul Okeefee and is an e-com technology that creates sites tailored to generate maximum profits. Yes, that is what he has said. And if this sounds like something you like, guys, stick with me as I'll go into details. So I was also giving you a full demo of how this app truly works. But do not forget to click on the bell icon below for notification, leave a comment, click the like, share, subscribe button. And as usual, guys, I have added some of my awesome bonuses. And for you to access my bonuses, you also need to click on the link that I have added down there. It brings you to my bonuses. Already, without further ado, let's see what Paul has said about this app. He's saying that it is brand new smart technology that creates cash-grabbing e-com sites. You just set it up once and you get paid forever. And these are the features of this app. You don't have to pay monthly fees or expenses. It says that it's perfect and made easy for beginners, all-inclusive solution with no monthly cost and or extra tools needed. And also it's pandemic proof business that keeps on growing. Now I have shown you the features. These are the 3 steps that you need to deploy to get this app up and running. So the first one, of course, you get to purchase the app, and then second one, you activate one of their buyers traffic option with just few clicks, and then you watch the money roll in. Already, these are what some of the users of the app are saying that they have made using the app. So Ronnie McKenzie has made this amount in 6 months, over $500,000, and then Jonathan has made 15,000 in a month, and so on and so forth. Let's see what other people have actually said. Let's see what other people said about this app. So this is Christian Doe, an architect, and then Marie Jones, which Marie Jones is a marketing specialist, and they are saying that you don't. The producers of this app are saying that you don't have to take their words for it. That the users of this app are true testimonies to what the app can do. And guys, he has added 2 bonuses today, which is worth, according to him, over $1,800. So the first bonus is a free buyer traffic upgrade, and then the second one is one link traffic platform. And then speaking of bonuses, guys, let me quickly take you to my own some bonuses that I have added. So you get, even if it's just the front end that you are purchasing today at $27, you have access to a total of 7 bonuses, 5 of mine and 2 of his. So the first one, of course, you get to have access to a hack on how to siphon traffic from other sites without an email list. And then the second one, you learn how to build a buyer's list. Of course, the third one, you is an online entrepreneur, get to learn how to do business online. And then the fourth one is the urgency suites. This allows you to, or it teaches you how to prop your customers and creates a sense of urgency for them to be able to purchase your product. And then, of course, the fifth one, of course, you have access to all the vendor bonuses, guys. And now, remember, for you to have access to these bonuses, you need to get it before this time runs out. You get actually you have 4 more days left to be able to have access to all these bonuses that I've promised. And if this timer resets to 000, guys, I'm not promising that you have access to all these bonuses that I've promised. And remember, if you purchase through Warrior Plus to have access to my bonuses, go down here where the blue button says access affiliate bonus. Click on it, and then my bonuses shall automatically be added. If it is through JVZoo that you signed in, where the red arrow is pointed at, click on that box, and then my bonuses shall automatically be added, guys. Now let's talk about the prices and the upsell. Remember, I told you that with just the $27 you have access to all those bonuses that I've mentioned. So with $27 you have access to also the software and the training models. So the upsell one, which is the smart profit funnels, is $97. So with that, you have access to, you'll be getting 10 done for you smart reseller funnels with reseller packages, 100% commissions on all funnels, and then everything your customer needs to profit with their funnel. And then with the second upsell, which is 100 times profit accelerator, is $147. So with that, you have the white label business in a box. And also you have all done for you, a true business in a box. And then the third one, I'm not going to like read everything, guys, because I know you can actually have access to all of this information via my YouTube channel. So the third upsell is a $300 a day system unlocked. So basically you copy their proven system that makes them over $300 per day. I have already talked to you guys about some of the benefits or the features. So no monthly fees or expenses and all that. Now, guys, let me take you quickly to the demo. Let's see how the members area actually looks like. So once you log in, this is what you see. This is the dashboard. So from here, you can click on how it works. It shows you tutorials on all that. Then you can check the prices, you can look up the pages, and then also the settings, the products, all the products, the ones you can add more, the categories, the orders. You can also check the statistics of the visits, the store visits, and then link clicks. You can view the shopping, the blog, the domains, and then you can view the store. Okay, now these are from here. From, if you scroll down, you see the stores visits. You can view by month or by year, and then you can also check recent orders. So you can see the reference, the date, the status, the name, the purchase, and the total, and also of course social and then your pages. Okay, so remember, from here you can also view the orders and the products. And let's see how all the products look like. So click on all the products. So from here you will see the number right here, or you can also add new products. So let's say add. Okay, from here, once you click the add product, this is what you get, the general. So basically you see the product name, my title, product condition, and all that, the shipping info, product categories, and then you can also give a brief description, and then the prices. Click on that, it shows you. Click on inventory. Also you can see the product stock, in stock, and then don't manage stock and products. Basically, guys, everything is set up in a way that will make sense for those of you that are into e-commerce. So this, click on the files. You can upload images here. Also you can drag and upload. Let's see the options. You can add new ones. Let's see the others. So let's see. So these are the categories. If you click on it, this is what you see. And you can also add image, and then upload an image, and then you post it. And this will be we already looked at that. Let's see the statistics. So click on the statistics, you see the total views, the products, and of course the package. Here you can see the visits, and then the traffic actually shows you the location, the geographical location of people that are visiting your page. And this is the operating system. Let's see the clicks. So this will show you the number of clicks, and then you can click on under others. You see the shipping. As it is, there is nothing here because this is just a demo of how this works. So guys, basically that's just it. There isn't much to it. It's that simple, and will make more sense for people that are into ecom and those that wants to start. And I believe that this will help someone that wants to maybe set up an e-com site, and also for someone else that will want to make a change also, this can be of benefit. Now guys, I have shown you pretty much everything: the sales page, I have shown you the my bonuses, then I've shown you how the app works. So guys, thank you so much for sticking with me, for watching, for subscribing to my channel, for sharing, and also for buying through my links. And hopefully you are enjoying the bonuses that you are getting. You stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.